Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLIne JetStream roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and likely beyond Hyundai Ioniq 5-door hatchback. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLIne towers set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in black or silver, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLIne pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The outer shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is attached. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. The tower itself, it has multiple adjustments to give a very customized fit to the vehicle. And to access those adjustments, you just remove this outer cover, and to do so, you just press on these 3 dots on the side of the upper portion of the cover to pull back and down. Within the cover, you can see we have various adjustments there, and there's first the adjustment to see will be the one that attaches the tower to the bar. To do so, I'll pull back on that cover, and we've exposed this fastener, and that one attaches the tower to the bar. It also has 3 positions of pitch, which is the angle of the bar on the roof, and that will help to compensate for curved roof lines. Now when I press that cover closed, you can see it will restrict access to the fastener for security. There is another fastener, which is the toe adjustment for the pad and clip assembly. Let's loosen that one up, and you can see that movement where it has 3 positions to best match the door frame and roof line. And then when we tighten that fastener back up with this tool, that tool will click to indicate you've tightened it fully. This tool is included with the towers and is for all the other fasteners on the tower as well. Inside the tower area, you have another fastener adjustment, which will pull down on the door frame clip to grip it against the door frame. And under this hatch, there's the final adjustment, and that one will pull upward on the clip against the door frame. Now the clip itself is strong steel construction with a durable powder coat finish. There is a rubber pad on the inside where it will touch and grip to the door frame. This will provide grip and protection to the finish. And then here you have your pivoting pad assembly, and that pivots to best match the roof curvature. Also, the pad itself comes in different shapes to best match the contouring where it rests on the roof. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place by hooking at the bottom and snapping at the top. You'll notice there's a plastic plug here, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS, which stands for Same Key System, lock core. So these cores are sold in matched sets so that all 4 of your towers, along with other accessories and carriers that are part of the SKS system, can all be key matched. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLIne JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.